This video is made to address the common questions for all our sales team across all the states. So I've opened RUPYZ app right now. As you all know, you can start the day by hitting that start day button and then just put a regular beat, which I assume you already do every month previously as compared to when you start the day, and then you submit. So you're supposed to take a selfie as well. For now, I won't take a selfie, but you are supposed to take a selfie of yourself and then you submit. Okay, so my day has started right now, which will show in the admin login. One of the common questions addressed was the prices for all our products, including MRP, distributor price and retailer price. So if you hit the products button, you can see all our products across different categories, and you can just see the MRPs since you haven't selected the customer yet. So all the products you see right now are based on their MRP prices right now. You can select the category, different categories available, right? And the brand would be OICIA itself. Again, you can just see the MRP price and not the distributor or retailer price. So if you do want to see what's the distributor or retailer price for any customer, you can go in the customers and then for example, I want to see the price for this customer, Dwarkesh Enterprise. Again, this is a dummy customer. So I'll hit the choose activity button and then this menu would open up, after which I'll hit new order. Right, it will take a second and it will show you this screen. So now any product you see, you can see the MRP and you can see the distributor price. Why? How do you know this is a distributor price? Because you would have added Dwarkesh Enterprise, the customer, as a distributor in rupees. So all the prices you see, you will see both MRP and the distributor price here. Similarly, if you do want to see what's the retailer price, so I've added this customer, Vasudev Enterprise. This is also a dummy customer. I'll hit the new order button again here. So now you see the MRP and the retailer price, not the distributor price, because I know that I've added Vasudev Enterprise as a retailer in rupees. So any price you see would be both MRP and the retailer price. And you can see the description, the packaging level, that is case or set or pieces, and then you see the price, you see the GST percentage, you see the description, what kind of products would be in this SKU category, and then specifications here. Now how do you know if you have added a customer as a retailer or distributor? So on the very left side of the screen you see this primary customer and this secondary customer written over here. Primary customer means distributor, secondary customer means retailer. That's the process to see which customer is assigned which level of price category. Now about the leads. So you can add a lead by hitting this button here, add lead. You need to decide which category lead it is. I'll assume right now, since you are meeting different distributors, so I'll put distributor number. You're supposed to put a GST number as well. In some cases where GST number is not available, you can directly put the business name, but make sure you do ask for GST number every time you are talking to a lead. And then you hit this fetch now button. It will automatically get the business name through the GST portal, which we have directly connected with the government of India. And then you put the contact person, designation of the person you're talking to, for example owner, MD or manager or anyone, and then you put the mobile number of that person, email ID, address, pin code, any details you have available of that person or that lead you're talking to. So right now I'll put a random mobile number since this is a mandatory field, right? And then you should also take an image of that shop you went to, any comments or notes you want to write, and then a follow-up date, right? I don't want to do that right now. So after putting all the information, you can just hit this create button here, and then it will automatically create a lead for you, right? So right now I created this lead over here. As soon as you create a lead, if you do think that this lead is good to go for distributor meet, you can approve the lead. You yourself cannot approve the lead, only your direct manager. So if a sales executive is making the lead, then ASM would do that. Similarly, ASM makes a lead, then state head approve it, and then state head make a lead, so RSM would approve it. And RSM can self approve their leads. So you can approve the lead here if you want to write any notes here, and then approve. Right, so I've approved the lead now, since I'm the RSM in RUPYZ right now. And then after doing the distributor meet and making sure the documents are available, you can convert the lead to a customer here. This process is very easy once you do the distributor meet with the management. Right, if you do have any questions that have I added a customer in RUPYZ yet or no, so you can go back to customer and lead sections, and you can check whether the customer is actually added, or was there some kind of error which happened during the adding process. You can also see the orders of your customer. For example, if I do decide to make an order through Dwarkesh Enterprise, you'll see the order here. I haven't done any orders yet, so you won't see any order here. In next video, I'll teach you how to order as a customer through our storefront app and website.